Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Pool Opening 2021. It's not good. It's not good. That's pollen and leaves and all kinds of wonderful stuff. I pumped off as much as I possibly could from the cover to make it easier. I've already peeked under the cover. That'll be a surprise for later in the video. And we're going to get started. I have just a couple of water bags left I'm going to pull off, and then we're going to get started pulling off the cover. And that is going to be this part of the 6 trillion part series of opening the pool. Here we go. Now onto the cover. Cover is off. That was a piece of cake doing it that way and just letting all of Joe's shit. For some reason they did the sewers in this area weird, where they plumbed his house like on top of my pool cover or something, And that's what happens. But let me go show you. Ectoplasm, yeah. It's ectoplasm. We're down, we got a little bit more water than we used to. It's not, you can see the bottom. That's impressive. A couple little pockets of leaves and that. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but the main drain, I can see it. It's there. All this shit was on top of the cover, but as we learned by switching gears last year at the last second, it ended up burning us in the ass. So I decided to pull it this way this year, because number one, this goes out to the street, and number two, because I can't, the cover's got a huge hole from the corner. It didn't work, just didn't. And the vacuums plug in the skimmer, so it's right here instead of all the way at the end where the hose is just barely long enough. So it's better this way. That's it. Just vacuum it up from here. It's gonna have to settle in that, but we're just gonna bundle this up. Gotta throw it out. Don't have a choice because it's got a huge hole in it. I mean, I could, you know, sit there and cut squares out of it and have smaller tarps, but I just can't. I don't know. It used to be years ago, I'd buy a tarp, have it 3-4 years. Now I buy a tarp, it's gone. And that was before I even did anything with the...
That's right, ladies and gentlemen. It was at this moment the Italian decided to come outside and water their side of the fence. Must have known I was making a video.
With the, what do you call it? With the corner there, it just always broke. Or actually it never used to break. I don't know why it does. It's not any pointier than it used to be. Let's just come take a quick peek. Okay, no rust. Well, otherwise held up. It did its job, it just didn't do its job. That's all there is to it. So anyway, that's part one, taking the cover off. It's done. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next part.